Be more confident. Written last January, last month and last week. Same goal, again, but zero progress. Why does it happen? Am I lazy? Not enough discipline? Am I doing again something wrong? No. The goal just wasn't written right. And this is one of the biggest problems that I see in work with my clients. And today, I'm going to show you exactly why and how you can change it so you will achieve your goals much easier, faster, and with much bigger pleasure. Hi everyone, my name is Tatiana Yess and I'm an applied psychology coach who help women untangle their relationship, build their business, self-confidence, and just happy life. For example, I want to be more confident. I want my relationship start to be better. I want more money coming to my life. I want to learn how to achieve my bigger goals, but I'm consistently feeling that I'm not enough, I'm doing something wrong, and I'm just not a really good partner. All questions can be different, but the basic of them is always about the same. It's not knowing how powerful can be sentence. It can sound like a plan to become more confident, to build better relationship, to find a way how to make more money, but for your brain it literally makes no sense. That's why you can't really focus on what you're doing. So you kind of like feel what you want, but when you wake up in the morning, you have zero understanding how to start behave different. And you can't have a different lifestyle, different new achievements if you consistently continue behave the same way. 7 ingredients that separate the goals people actually pull off from the goals that just sit there looking inspirational and doing nothing. Stick around because I promise you after this video you will change your life totally, understanding how easy it can be changing in your life and how nice it can be to achieve your real wishes. Clue number 1. Small beats big. Every time. Changing my whole life isn't a goal. It's a mess. Let's be honest. When you're thinking about it, it's like, oh my gosh, I have so many things that I need to change. I'm freaking out. I don't want to do anything, and I'm just like taking my phone and start scrolling and looking at social media and feeling a victim or feeling like I'm the bad person, and again, I'm doing nothing, and it's already 10 o'clock at night and I kind of like need to go to sleep. Nothing changed. But if you change the phrase, change my whole life, to, for example, some small step. I will text my sister every week, for example, because I understand this person really important in my life and I want to change our relationship for better. Or from this moment, I will spend 15 minutes, but every day reading different articles with a purpose to try to find some idea that can suit my lifestyle to make more money. Clear, bite-sized goals, be giant ones. If you were raised to think bigger or don't bother, plot twist. Big doesn't move you. They can make you feel anxious. But small actions really can change your mind because you feel that you can handle it. And every time when you will achieve small little steps, you start to feeling, I can do this. It doesn't kill me. I feel much better and I can move on with it. Clue number 2. It has to be yours. Not your mother's, not the society, not the social media that shows you how you need to live and how it is to be real cool, not your boyfriend, not your friends, no one else's but yours. So many women, to be honest, nowadays chase a goal that's not really theirs. And when I ask them, when did you realize that it's your dream? Sometimes they even can't remember. Sitting there and understanding that, wow, it's not really my goal. I was thinking, if I want to be a happy person, I need to have what other people have who looks like they're happy. But when they deeply start to understand what they really need for their successful fulfillment lifestyle, I don't need all of this business bullshit or cool bag. Maybe I just want to gardening. Maybe I just want to ride a horse or just spend a picnic in a nice park with my boyfriend. And there's nothing bad to be unique. There's nothing bad to have different goals in other society. You need to understand that marketing is always a business. And when someone's selling you something, it's never about your Good lifestyle, it's always about selling some product or service. But you are enough adult nowadays. I ask you to remember about your inside power and realize that you can choose what suits you the best. And there will never be the wrong or right answer. There will be just yours choice or not your choice. Clue number 3. Specific enough that someone can actually watch you do it. Instead of I want to fix my relationship, next time try. If I will feel dismissed, I will say it loud to my partner. In the moment. Not 3 days later, not writing in my journal, or not texting to my friend complaining about it. There is a classic heavily repeated problem. If this happens, I will do this plan and they follow through 2 or 3 times more often than people with just a vague good intention. Confidence isn't a feeling that you're just sitting and waiting for something. It's a move you rehearse until the feelings show up lately in a party. Clue number 4, it actually should fit the life that you already have. Because it's quite hard to change your lifestyle like this. You can't just start from the zero paper, right? So you need to somehow put new actions in the lifestyle that you already have. A goal that ignores your real lifestyle, it's not about the ambitious. If you're thinking that you need to have an ideal picture, an ideal moment to change your life and achieve your goal, it's a dead end. You need to understand how today, in a moment right now, I can put small steps towards to my goal into my lifestyle now. Clue number 5, and this is one probably the most surprising for all of my clients when they hear it. You ready? The goal has to run on your effort, not luck, not the correct moon cycle, not the correct tarot cards, not the correct magical moment that just will come to your life while you're sitting in your cozy but still apartment and waiting this. I probably have a really nice news for you, but at the same time not really nice one. You're already adult and you can really change your life. Everyone who built all of these amazing things around you, everyone who achieved all these such nice goals, build business, build empires, or create something unbelievable in this world. Just normal, real people, same as you are. We are all just normal people. I can't say that anyone is special. One of the harder things that my clients understand during their sessions, they're just normal human beings. It doesn't matter, is it president, monk, or just seller in a fruit market standing in front of you. They're just people. All of them have their own stories, their own fears, their own needs. They just do everyday small steps, and all of their small steps is quite different. That's why they have different storyline. You are enough normal to have what you want. You don't need to be special sufferer to find a way why you can't have it. You are totally fine. Your fears, your story, even if you don't have some resources, it doesn't make you special, but it makes you enough normal to achieve and create whatever you want in your life. Remember, whatever you can picture in your mind, that you can really build in your reality. But no one will really come and give it to you. You can meditate as long as you want. You can ask God as long as you want, but you will never create the life of your dream if you will not start trying. That's all. It's so simple. Unfortunately, we don't have a magical pill. Everyone would like to have it, I know. I know. If you want just to live better life, you just need to choose better actions. So I want you to remember one thing again. Waiting while he will change will not build your confidence. Waiting when I will have enough resources will build your career. Waiting while I will have enough knowledges will never build your success as a blogger, business owner. That's all just experiences that you need to go through. Clue number 6. It's always the start of something, not the end. Not finally be done with anxiety and forget it like a bad dream. To start to practice new things that help me to be more calm. Every first time to go to the therapy and just starting to talk about my emotions and understand that it's definitely fine that I need some social support. Not stop spending a lot of money on a fashion or empty things or restaurants. Start asking myself, why do I really feel so empty? What I'm trying to hide from myself buying all of these empty things. Not stop blaming myself every time that I'm not enough, but start being more nice with yourself. Maybe you never had this experience in your life and just you was loved like who you are. I think maybe it can be a really good start just to stop for a moment and give yourself an opportunity just to be. Some days not ideal, some days not fit enough, not beautiful enough, not handsome enough, not whatever enough, not rich enough. Just be a human being, your own story. It's real, awkward, funny, shame, but your story. Clue number 7, probably one of my favorite. It has to build something new. When you say to yourself, stop being anxious, your brain physically trying to find the way how to be anxious. And if you have a goal, stop being anxious, sometimes it can make you feel even more scared, more nervous, and less calm. Start practicing naming one thing that you need out loud. I want to start feeling happy every morning. And after ask yourself a question, what last time made me feel happy in the morning? Maybe it can be nice coffee in a cute restaurant. Or maybe it can be breakfast with your best friend. Maybe it was just 5 minutes in the silence with yourself because you are quite busy mom. I remember I was working so much and consistently blaming myself that I'm not enough and still don't have all these things in my life that I really would like to have. Once, wake up in the morning, I was feeling so empty. The most awful thing that I realized that they don't remember when I laughed last time. And I like to laugh because it's one of the best exercises in the world, I think, in my option. What do you think, guys, actually, about this? Text in the comments. And if you have quite funny jokes, please text it in the comments as well, because I really would like to read them and giggle with you together. And I understood at that moment that I probably was running so fast with no idea to where. I kind of lost myself. That day, I remember it so clear. I made a video of myself saying what I wanted to have in 1 year, how I want to feel, most about what emotions I would like to feel every morning when I will wake up in my life 1 year later. Remember the real good phrase, every situation has 1 year later. It will help you and it will heal you all of the way through your life. My main purpose working with my clients is to remind them. And even during this video, I just want to remind you guys that the purpose of our life, it's not have the point of the finish of the line, like where it's a lot of money, happy relationship, cool status, or big brand. Our life, it's always about the process. Because if you will achieve everything in 1 day, you will probably die. Because what's the purpose to live if you're not in a process of doing something or feeling something or creating something? We came to this world to enjoy the process of the moment. That's why everyone tells you, stop thinking about the past, stop thinking about the future, be in the present moment. It's not because you don't really need to think about the past, about the future. You need it kind of help you to build your plan and analyze the situation and create better actions and decisions in your future. But if you will consistently forgetting about the feeling of pleasure in the moment of just living your life, there is no point for this. So to bring back your happiness is quite easy, and it even can be scary how it can be easy, because you can just see it. Even maybe watching this video, just smile in this moment, look around yourself, and I was thinking like, oh wow, it's a nice couch. I like the texture, I like the color. Can I be proud of myself just because I am who I am? Am I enough brave even thinking it's like I'm a cool person? I think you are. Doesn't matter on what point you are now. Doesn't matter what you have. It's more about what you feel, what you decide to feel, and how you decide to manage your feelings, even if you're not happy with them today. So back to the woman who was texting, be more confident. How it can be different based on our 7 incredible rules. Tomorrow, if I start to feel uncomfortable, I will stop for a minute, understand what really makes me feel so and how I can change the situation. If it's about the person, I start loud speak to this person about my feelings and about my needs. Doesn't matter. This person will hear me or not, the main purpose to show myself that I am enough normal to want what I want and to make every day small steps towards my wishes. Because if I can think about it, I can have it. I just need to be enough brave to make this decision to live now. So this is the actual work what I do with my clients. I'm not trying to change you. I'm not trying to explain you what you need to do with your life. I'm asking correct questions that help you to go deeper and understand what you really want. I will never know the right answer for you. No one will instead of you. So if you want to work with me and you want to research a little bit more about your desires, your wishes, your fears, and your emotions, follow the link below in the comments. To change your life, you don't need a bigger goal. You need just one, but finally think about it and make it right. If this video hit home, like it and subscribe to the channel. And I want to know, out of all the 7 clues, which one exposed your goal? Tell me in the comments. I will read all of them and I really would like to know more about you guys. Even if you will text me from which country you are watching me and what is your really big belief and what is your big goal, I really want to know. Let's be closer to each other and let's build this really nice community. See you in the next videos.